In this video, we will discuss the latest recruitment process and eligibility criteria for L&T Infotech. So L&T Infotech is conducting on-campus recruitment for 2021 passouts. So if L&T Infotech is visiting your campus, this video will be very useful for you because these are latest updates from on-campus drives that are happening this year for 2021 passouts. First, let's talk about the role and packages. The role that L&T Infotech is hiring for is for the role of graduate engineer trainee. So there are two packages basically. One is a 3.5 lakhs per annum and other is a 5 lakhs per annum package. Now there is a recruitment process where if the student has to be eligible for a 5 lakhs per annum package, he or she has to clear a level 2 assessment, which we will talk about in the next forthcoming slides of this video. And upon being selected, this role also comes with the commitment of 2 years. There is a service agreement of 2 years. The eligibility criteria for this on-campus recruitment of L&T Infotech is as follows. All BTech branches are eligible. So it doesn't matter whether you are from circuit or non-circuit. The only criteria that L&T Infotech is detailed in the job description is that if you are from a non-CSIT branch, you should have sufficient knowledge of information technology and computer science before you sit for the recruitment process. So please ensure that you brush up your programming skills and your understanding of information technology. If you are from a non-CSIT branch who is sitting for this drive, but you are definitely eligible. You need to also maintain 60% minimum throughout 10th, 12th and graduation. There cannot be any academic gap that should have happened. So no academic gap either between courses or within a course. Either of these are not applicable. In terms of backlogs, L&T Infotech provides an opportunity for students who have up to 2 active backlogs at the time of the recruitment process. So you can still have 2 live backlogs at the time of the recruitment process, but it is very important that you clear them by the time you complete your final semester and graduate. But it is also important that you should have cleared your 10th and 12th within the first attempt. This is the backlog criteria. There should not have been any year drop. So you should not have taken a year gap in between. You should not have done a year drop in between. And your date of birth cannot be earlier than 1st of July 1997. If that is the case, you might not be eligible. So if you fulfill this eligibility criteria, then you will need to apply for this recruitment process through your training and placement office in your respective colleges. L&T Infotech has been conducting recruitment in a lot of colleges. The recruitment is expected to happen in the last week of August and towards the month of September in various colleges across the country. Now let me take you through the recruitment process. So like I said earlier, there is a 3.5 lakhs per annum package and there is also a 5 lakhs per annum package. So like most IT service recruiters, L&T Infotech also follows an online test, technical interview, HR interview model. Just that for the 5 lakhs per annum package, there is an additional test which you have to clear. That is basically a coding test. So in the forthcoming slide, I will talk about what exactly that is the coding test. I'll also be talking in detail about the first level test also. Now let's talk about the online test pattern. This has been the online test pattern that has been observed in recently conducted on-campus drives of L&T Infotech for 2021 passout. So these are very recent updates. So if you are watching this, then this is exactly the info that you need in terms of helping you prepare to go and crack the L&T Infotech recruitment process if you are a 2021 passout. Now the level 1 online test basically has got multiple sections. So the overall test is for 100 minutes. So these are the multiple sections. So there is a psychometric, which is a personality test where you need to answer 86 questions in 20 minutes. Then there is quants, logical and verbal aptitude basically. All of these are for 10 questions in 10 minutes respectively. Then there is technical MCQs where you need to answer 40 questions in 40 minutes. And finally, there is a essay/paragraph writing section where you need to write a piece of writing for 200 words. So that is one question in 10 minutes. Now, if you're also getting recruited for the 5 lakhs per annum package in your college, so specific colleges are eligible for the 5 lakhs per annum package also, you might also have an additional coding section. So the coding section, you will need to code one question in 45 minutes, and you can choose languages between C, C++, Java and Python while you code for this particular question. So this is the pattern of the online test. Now here are some key points that will help you kind of understand how exactly this online test works. The assessment partner for conducting L&T Infotech's online test this year, like how the previous years have also happens to be Metal. Now in the Metal online test, you can navigate between various questions inside a section, but you cannot navigate between sections. So what it means is, let's say for example, if you start a section, you start a quant section for example, you cannot jump from quants to logical before completing quants. Okay, you cannot jump from logical to verbal before completing logical, right? So you need to move with you. If you start one section, you cannot jump to a different section unless you complete it. But inside a section, you can move between questions. So let's say for example, you want to check out what is the 9th question in quants. Right, you can directly go and do that. So which means you have freedom to pick and choose questions of your choice in your order and answering. This is a massive advantage because you get to choose what questions you are comfortable in answering, and this will be a massive advantage in terms of taking advantage of time management basically, and in terms of maximizing your score. There is no negative marking in the test, and the order of sections is up to the student to choose. So if you want to answer the psychometric, you can answer that first. If you want to answer the technical MCQ section also, you can answer that first. That the moment you choose a section, that section starts, and you cannot go to the next section before you finish it. Each section has got a timer, like how I had explained in the previous slide. And this entire online test is webcam proctored. You should definitely end up having a system or a laptop with a webcam on while taking this test. This is intended to ensure that malpractice of any kind is prohibited. Now let's also quickly talk about the syllabus in terms of what topics have been tested. So from phase prep, what we have done is we have very carefully analyzed all of the questions that have been asked in recently conducted L&T Infotech drives for 2021 passouts, and we have curated this syllabus list for you, which will give you all of the important topics that L&T Infotech is focusing on. So in quantitative aptitude, these are the important topics: time and work, time, speed, distance, percentage of the different kinds of interest, permutation, combination, probability, number system, and profit and loss and its associated topics. These are some of the key crucial quantitative aptitude topics even otherwise, but they are also very, very important for L&T Infotech. You can expect questions in aptitude to be between easy to medium difficulty level because the time given is just about 1 minute per question. In logical reasoning, these are the important topics ranging from data arrangements, blood relations, coding and decoding series to data interpretation sufficiency, clocks, calendars, and cubes direction sense. Verbal ability had questions focusing on topics such as vocabulary, which had questions like synonyms, antonyms, analogy, contextual vocabulary. There were also error spotting questions where you needed to find out the type of or part of the sentence which has got an error. There were also sentence completion parajumble questions. Articles, prepositions, and reading comprehension also happen to be topics that you should be focusing on definitively when you go and prepare for the L&T Infotech aptitude sections of the test if you are a 2021 pass out. Now let's go to technical MCQs and coding. This happens to be the latest updated syllabus for technical MCQs that are tested in the L&T Infotech online test for 2021 pass outs. There have been pseudocode questions, some questions on fundamentals of programming also. Predominantly the other topics happen to be object-oriented programming, networking, database management systems, SQL operating systems, HTML, and software development lifecycle. So these are topics that you need to be on top of in terms of answering MCQs in the technical MCQ section. As per test takers who have taken the L&T Infotech coding test this year, the coding test was extremely easy. Questions ranged only on fundamentals of programming. So you need to be very strong in the fundamentals of programming in any language of your choice. You can get to choose a language of your choice, C, C++, Java or Python. But in that language, you need to be strong in the fundamentals of that particular language, which basically covers all of the fundamental topics like operators, input, output, arrays, pointers, functions and strings. Right. Now that you understand what is the role, package, online test pattern and overall syllabus for L&T Infotech for 2021 passouts, in the forthcoming videos, please feel free to check out the latest questions and answers that have been asked in recently conducted L&T Infotech drives for 2021 passouts. Check out these latest questions and answers in the forthcoming videos. Thank you.
Hey YouTube, how are you doing? Stay tuned to Facebook for more awesome videos. Don't forget to subscribe.